A cumulative flow diagram, CFD, is a stacked area chart that visualizes the flow of work items through your process. It simultaneously shows the relationship between three key flow metrics: work in progress, cycle time, and throughput. Each coloured band represents a workflow stage, for example, to do in progress done, and the chart helps you spot bottlenecks and process stability at a glance. The vertical axis represents the cumulative count of work items, while the horizontal axis denotes calendar days. Each coloured band signifies a workflow stage, with its height indicating work in progress and width relating to cycle time. When interpreting this chart, we recommend investigating bulging colours, questioning disappearing colours, and aiming for parallel bands that trend upwards to indicate a steady flow of work. A common way to use the chart is to fine-tune your view by using filters and date controls to focus on the data that matters most. Take a good look at the flow to spot any bottlenecks, changes in the process, and overall trends in the diagram. It's a great idea to ask yourself some questions about your process based on what you see in the chart, like where work seems to be piling up, if there are any stages sitting idle, and whether the flow is smooth or a bit bumpy. Lastly, use the insights from the CFD to address those bottlenecks and boost the stability of your process. We'll show you some of our built-in tools to help you with this next. One of the features to aid your investigations is the tooltip, which provides quick insights into each workflow stage as well as the whole. The cycle time displays the average cycle time for the system or a specific stage as measured on that day. The WIP indicates the number of items present in the system or a particular stage on that day. To further understand your process, you can analyse the slopes of the rate lines. Parallel lines indicate that the entry and exit rates of work are consistent, showing that the system can keep up with demand. Diverging lines suggest that the system is taking on more work than it can complete, resulting in a backlog. Conversely, converging lines indicate that the system is completing more work than it is taking in, leading to a surplus of completed items. The summary statistics shows quick stats based on your selected data: arrival rate, throughput, daily WIP, and cycle time. Presented in a table with rows for each workflow stage and one for the entire system. All values are average calculations. The panel updates depending on your chosen filters, workflow stages, or date range. Smooth CFDs are really approximations of what happens between data points. To see a more realistic view of what is happening with your process data, uncheck the checkbox labelled Smooth, Interpolate. The button to toggle the legend is here as well. The legend is on by default, but if you close it, you can come back here to show it again. The CFD is your go-to chart for visualizing workflow health, spotting bottlenecks, and driving continuous improvement. Use its controls to tailor your analysis and always look for patterns that reveal how work moves through your system. Keep in mind that the CFD uses averages which can hide outliers, so be sure to consult the other charts to ensure you're seeing the whole picture. We hope you enjoyed this quick dive into the CFD. Please feel free to reach out to us via our support portal or by email at support@55degrees.se.